I am just a regular employee. Nothing special or notable about me. Ako yung makakausap mo sa bangko na mag-a-assess sa'yo and then you'll forget about me. But when my supervisor went into labor, she appointed me to be her substitute. The regular guy. Not a threat and can easily get along with other people. I took that opportunity to up my game. I performed in full throttle. I started making certain changes sa flow namin na I felt was necessary since I am your average employee. Not to brag pero naging maganda yung takbo ng branch namin under my temporary supervisor. And to my surprise, pagkabalik ng supervisor ko, nirecommend niya ako sa ibang branch to be a manager. And today, I am handling my own team na. Some call it perfect timing, but I know that I was given an opportunity and took advantage of it to show what I am capable of. Ako si Stephen, and I am the proof of what positive thing can come out of taking advantage. My love, ito yung sinasabi natin, isa sa mga positive na attributes or positive thing about taking advantage of certain situations or opportunities. Kasi hindi mo alam kung kailan at sa anong panahon magbubukas sa'yo yung window of opportunity to prove yourself, o diba? To let yourself shine, for people to see what you are capable of, kung anong talent meron ka, kung gaano ka ganda yung skill mo. Kaya naman, if you have this unique trait, don't be too sad about it that you can't be just like everybody else. Kumbaga, kung sa grupo nyo ang daming magaling kumanta, wag mo nang naising kumanta kung di talaga kaya. 'Di ba? Wag mong saktan yung sarili mo at yung mga kasama mo. Baka kasi meron kang ibang talent, o 'di ba? Meron kang ibang skill na pwede mo ipakita sa kanila, and when the time comes na binigyan ka ng opportunity, take advantage of that opportunity to show them what you are capable of. One concrete example, my love. Dito sa Love Radio, ang daming magaling kumanta. Ang daming may boses. Dito sa Manila Broadcasting Company, yung mga DJ hindi ko alam. Parang meron silang alter ego ng pagka-singer. Si Tanya Chinita, maganda boses. Si Rocky Terra, maganda boses. Si Robin Shena, maganda boses. Ang Nicole Yala at Christopher, may album yan. O diba, si Totoy Bato, hindi nyo lang po naririnig pero maganda boses. Si Papa Diego Bandido, o diba, si Uncle Diego Bandido, may boses din yan, nakakapag-voice acting yan. Si Uncle Dagol din, nagvo-voice acting. Si Konyo mabait. Si Konyo, ay nako, napakabait. Sabi ni Boy Pindot, grabe ka kay Konyo. Mabait nga siya, mabait si Padangat, o diba? Mabait si Konyo. Kung sa boses lang, it's a voice that only, tawag dito, only friends and those who loves him can love. May tono yan, nilalaro lang ni Konyo. At wag ka, nagpa-public speaking yan, nagte-TED Talk yan, o diba? Ganyan kabongga ang Konyo Bicolano. So si DJ Lala Banderas, hindi naman kasi talaga ako singer. Hanggang doon lang tayo sa banyo, tas banyo lang makakarinig para hindi siya makaangal kasi hindi naman siya makaalis eh. But my love, I can move. O diba? If there's something na I know I can move, as in I can dance. O diba? Kahit papaano nakakagalaw si DJ Lala Banderas. So whenever meron kaming content, that's when I think I shine. Kasi that one, I can carry with grace and pride na nakaka-move ako. It's an opportunity that I do take advantage of. Kasi yun yung talent na kaya kong pangatawanan. O, diba? Yung pagsayaw, hindi man yung mala G-force, o diba? Hindi naman sa ganun level. Pero kapag binigyan mo ako ng dance challenge na yung step ay hanggang 8, kaya ko naman siyang pangatawanan. Gusto mo sumample? Manood ka ng mga videos namin. Ayan, sa Love Radio Manila YouTube channel at sa TikTok channel namin. Naglalabas kami ng mga dance covers. Ganyan kami kagagaling. Ang kakapal na mga ante ninyo. Duma dance cover pa. Anyway, balik na tayo sa topic. Just like what I've said, time and opportunity will present itself when you can take advantage of that specific time to show them what you have, what you got, o diba? What you are made of, what you are capable of. Hindi mo kailangan lagi na katulad ng iba kasi may labang hirap makipagkumpetensya sa mga taong, alam mo yun, one, na una na, two, alam mo namang mas may kakayahan sa'yo. But then again, kahit pa sabihin ninyong grabe ang gagaling nila sa ganitong aspeto at ito talaga yung ginagawa ng lahat, meron at meron ka pa rin nagagawa na hindi kayang gawin ng iba. And when opportunity knocks and meron kang opportunity then to show it and give them a sample of what you can do, if you take advantage of that certain moment, you will shine. So, congratulations sa iyo, Stephen. Finally, after dapat nga hindi mo tatawag yung sarili mo as an average employee or basta wag mo nilalang yung sarili mo. Wag nyong dinadown yung sarili nyo kasi, my love, no one can do what you do better than alam mo yun, basta. Ang hirap i-explain ng sarili ko. Walang nakakagawa ng mga kaya mong gawin dyan sa trabahong ginagawa mo. Kaya wag na wag mong nilalang yung performance mo, wag mong nilalang yung position mo, wag mong nilalang yung contribution mo. Hindi mo man siya makikita or hindi ka pa man nakaka-earn ng recognition for it, I'm sure a lot of people can notice how perfect yung nagiging output because you are doing it. Okay?